Back at that first spot that we hunted this morning. We've just been traveling all over this area to different sites we've got permission to hunt on, and just going from site to site. This area started producing really good this morning with the cuff button, musket ball, some melted lead, and then we kind of got away from this first area and we didn't get much, so we left, and just got a small, probably 30 caliber musket ball right there, and right here I got something. I haven't dug it yet. It's in the hole, but it sounds like a brass. Could be a musket ball. Musket balls read weird. It's out of the hole. Alright, I don't know exactly, maybe a bottle top. It may just be a bottle top. But here, I'll show you what I've gotten so far. There's some my dad got a nice 3-ringer, and we've gotten 2, 3, 4 musket balls, some smaller caliber musket balls, melted lead, a couple of rivets, a weird rivet right there, and I got my general service cuff, my Union staff cuff, and my Eagle Eye coat right there. And just got some random lead and stuff, but that's what I've gotten so far. I want to give a shout out to Cajun Corn Hunter and Digging Deep South. This is some nice weather to hunt in, and I've been doing good today. It's been cool, and I'm not done yet. You can see the sun's just trying to set on me, but I'm gonna keep hunting till it gets dark. Well, I'm almost done hunting for today. Starting to get dark, but I'm just tired. My dad's over there still hunting in the field, but here's the finds that I have in my pouch so far. I think my dad might have a little bit more lead in his pockets, but ended out with brass buckle, part of an old bottle, top of it. You got melted lead, pressed lead, and then in all I got 4 musket balls. My dad found a nice 3-ringer, 2 rivets, a carved pistol ball, a carved bullet. Down to focus. And 2 smaller caliber musket balls, bucking ball, a weird brass piece. I don't know what that would have been for. And then, let's see. And out here is the Eagle Eye. A hole in it. So I got a shank. And the very first button I found today. Little eagle cuff. And then probably the best find of the day. Oh wait, what about this one? Found this button a minute ago. Got some cool designs on it. So got the shank, and then the coolest button so far today is this really nice Union Staff Officers cuff button with the stand-up shank. It is really nice. There's a lot of gold on this bad boy. So I'll clean it up when I get home. You can see the eagle a little bit. But I don't want to brush this thing off. I want to keep that gold on it. But so 4 buttons in all today for me. And a lot of lead. And more lead. Oh yeah, I found this right here. I think it's part of a grape shot to a cannonball, or a canister shot or something. I think actually maybe just a grape shot. But found that an hour ago. So that's kind of cool. So I got some artillery today too, but that's about it. It's been a good day. It didn't get above 75 or something around that, so it's been really good. And I'll clean these up and show you a picture when I get home. Thanks for watching.